Bison ribs. Let's cook these bison ribs up. What we're going to do with this rich, dark meat here is we're going to wrap them completely up in aluminum foil. That's going to keep our meat nice and moist. Then we're going to put them in the oven at 300 degrees for 3 hours to ensure that they are fully cooked to desired tenderness. Check out the backside of these things. Man, those look great. This is your finished product after 3 hours. Let me check to see if these are tender enough or not. Oh yeah, they are. Rips right apart. Bison ribs. Man, those look great. These were cooked with no sauce, just salt, pepper, and garlic. We wanted to taste the true flavor of bison. They were amazing. Bison ribs.